We have exciting news today about Apple's upcoming budget-friendly smartphone, the iPhone SE 4. While 2024 didn't bring us a new SE model, Apple isn't abandoning its affordable lineup just yet. Leaks suggest that the iPhone SE 4 could debut sooner than expected, possibly within the next few months. And this time, Apple is packing in some major upgrades that might just redefine what we consider a budget iPhone. From a 6.1-inch OLED display and dynamic island to Apple's powerful A18 chip and a 48-megapixel main camera, the iPhone SE 4 could be the most significant leap in the SE series yet. But with all these improvements, the price is also expected to increase. Is it still worth waiting for? Let's break down everything we know so far about the iPhone SE 4, its features, potential price, and expected release date. Design overhaul, a modern look for the budget iPhone. One of the biggest changes coming to the iPhone SE 4 is its design. Apple is finally ditching the outdated home button and thick bezels in favor of an all-screen look that aligns with the company's modern aesthetic. This means the SE 4 will resemble the iPhone 14 and 15, making it a massive step up in terms of visual appeal. The phone is rumored to feature a 6.1-inch OLED panel, marking the first time an SE model has moved away from LCD technology. This is a significant upgrade, offering richer colors, better contrast, and improved battery efficiency compared to previous SE models. However, there is some debate regarding whether the iPhone SE 4 will feature the traditional notch or Apple's dynamic island. Some leaks suggest that Apple will stick with the notch design, reserving the dynamic island for premium models. However, other sources claim that Apple might bring dynamic island to the SE 4, making it the most feature-rich SE device to date. If true, this would be a game-changer for budget-conscious buyers looking for a premium experience without the hefty price tag. Performance, A18 chip, and Apple Intelligence integration. Under the hood, the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to be powered by Apple's latest A18 chip, the same processor expected to be in the iPhone 16 lineup. This would provide a significant performance boost, improving power efficiency, battery life, and overall speed. Additionally, the A18 chip will support Apple's new AI-powered features under the Apple Intelligence umbrella, allowing users to experience enhanced machine learning capabilities, improved Siri responses, and better real-time photo and video processing. Another major upgrade is Apple's in-house 5G modem. Apple has been working for years to reduce its reliance on Qualcomm's chips, and the iPhone SE 4 could be the first device to feature Apple's custom 5G modem. If true, this could mean improved connectivity, faster download speeds, and better battery efficiency. Camera, 48-megapixel sensor for stunning photos. One of the most exciting changes in the iPhone SE 4 is its camera system. The device is rumored to feature a 48-megapixel main camera, the same sensor found in the iPhone 15 and 16. This is a significant jump from the 12-megapixel sensor on the current SE model. With this upgrade, users can expect sharper images, better low-light performance, and enhanced detail in photos. Additionally, the sensor is expected to support 2x zoom using sensor cropping, similar to what we've seen in Apple's recent flagship models. However, there's a catch. Unlike the flagship models, the iPhone SE 4 will reportedly only have a single lens setup, meaning there won't be an ultra-wide or telephoto lens. If you frequently use ultra-wide cameras for landscape shots or group photos, you might find this limitation disappointing. The front-facing camera is also expected to be upgraded to 12 megapixels, improving Face ID accuracy and selfie quality. Pricing and storage options, a higher price for premium features. With all these significant upgrades, the price of the iPhone SE 4 is expected to rise. The current iPhone SE 3 starts at $429, but rumors suggest that the SE 4 could launch at $499. While this is still more affordable than the iPhone 15 and 16, it puts the SE 4 in direct competition with mid-range smartphones like Google's Pixel 8a. Apple's strategy appears to be making the SE 4 good enough to appeal to budget-conscious buyers, but not so good that it takes sales away from their more expensive flagship models. Another potential drawback is Apple's classic storage strategy. The base model is expected to start at 64 gigabytes, which in 2025 feels quite limiting. As app sizes increase and higher resolution photos and videos take up more space, most users will likely be pushed toward the 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes models, which will come at a higher price point. Apple has mastered the art of upselling, and the SE4 is no exception. Release date. When can you expect the iPhone SE4? So when can we expect to see the iPhone SE4 hit the shelves? According to leaks, the device is on track for a March 2025 release. Production reportedly began in late 2024, which aligns with Apple's typical SE launch cycle. If these reports are accurate, we could be just months away from seeing Apple's newest budget smartphone in action. Final thoughts. Is the iPhone SE4 worth the hype? The iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones Apple has ever released. With a modern OLED display, a powerful A18 chip, Apple's in-house 5G modem, and a 48-megapixel camera, it offers significant upgrades over its predecessor. But with a higher price tag, limited camera options, and a base storage model that might feel restrictive, it's clear that Apple is positioning the SE4 as a stepping stone to push users toward flagship devices. If you've been holding out for a budget iPhone with premium features, the SE4 might be the perfect choice. However, if you were hoping for multiple camera lenses or a lower price, you may need to weigh your options carefully. Apple is playing a delicate game of balancing affordability with just enough premium features to make the SE4 tempting, but not too good to undercut its flagship lineup. What do you think? Is the iPhone SE4 worth the wait, or are the compromises too much? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology in the Future for more updates on the latest tech trends and upcoming gadgets.